Hi, I'm Charlie Kasov, and this is how to make your own math t-chart. Now, a t-chart is a very useful way to find values in an equation. So, for example, if we have x and y, we can find all our x and y values based on an equation. For example, let's say y equals x plus 2. Something very simple, but you can build on this as much as you want, and the same thing holds true. We'll start with plugging in a value for x. Let's say x equals 0. So then we're saying y equals 0 plus 2, which equals 2. So we put 2 up here. Then we can say x equals 1, so y equals 1 plus 2, and that's going to be 3. So we have 1 here, we'll put 3 here. We can try x equals 2, so y equals 2 plus 2, which equals 4. And as we go, we now have a pattern, and we could also graph the line based on the ordered pairs we have from the t-chart.